Hey everyone, this is Drew Burr with Career Services, and today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial video on how to create a YouTube channel, how to utilize Mia to create a property video and push to YouTube, and also how to share your YouTube video to your social network. And I will be doing this with my professional development manager, Maya Elliott. So let's get started. The very first thing that we need to do is we need to create an account for your YouTube. And the way you're going to do this is through Google. And if you already have a Gmail email, you're ahead of the room already. But if you don't, you can come and you can Google accounts, and you'll come to this page right here, where you can either create a brand new Gmail, or you can create an email using your Harry Norman email to create the account. Now, after you create this, it'll push you into your Gmail email, like so. If you didn't know, YouTube is tied through Google and they connect very well. To get to YouTube and still be in your Google account, at the very top where there's multiple little circles, you're going to click in and go to YouTube. In this moment, you'll either notice you have a YouTube channel or you're going to create a new one. At the top right where your headshot is, you're going to click on the headshot and you'll either have a channel or you'll create a new channel like this. In this window, you're going to name what your channel is going to represent. And more likely, it's going to be your name as a realtor because people are searching you and you want to be Google found. So your name will be your agent name, full name, and you can also add realtor at the end if you'd like. You'll also upload a photo that symbolizes you, whether it's a logo or your headshot. I'm going to create the channel. All right. Just like that, you've created a YouTube channel. It's very simple. You have the opportunity to customize this later. I do have a video on H&R Trainer on how to customize this channel, adding banner art, filling in your about, adding subscriptions that you recommend. It's all there, so check it out. But from here, we are going to go over to our second resource, which is Mia. Now that we've created a YouTube channel, we need to grab an asset to promote on our YouTube channel. And to do this, we're going to be grabbing a video from Mia. And in Mia, if you go to the Projects tab and you scroll down, you'll notice there's a folder for your listing that is live in FMLS. Here, when you click this folder, you'll notice here are the collateral pieces that Mia has created for 1234 Main Street. But today I'm going to be grabbing the video to promote on YouTube. When you click on the video, you'll have a few options. You can preview, edit, and duplicate. We're going to edit it real quick because when the listing comes into Mia, it comes in the order of FMLS. So they could be 3 or 4 interior shots of the front of the house. So I want to make sure I have the right photos for this video. So I'm going to click edit. Now I'm going to move quickly through these different options to fill in this video the way I'd like. I'm going to keep the name the same. I'm going to change the photos. You can remove them all and add photos in, or you can individually pull the photo out. To do this, you'll just have to select the trash can and hit the plus symbol to bring a photo in. Now, there are 2 different ways to bring photos in. You can either grab it from a projects photo, which is from FMLS, or you can grab it from my computer and grab a high-res picture and put it back in place. After you do this, you can also change the text that correlates with your listing that came from FMLS. If there's some shorthand you need to adjust, or if the address seems like you need to give more emphasis to where it is, you might want to add this in here. You'll hit save and continue. And last is the audio before you check your agent information. You can use the default, or you can select one of these soothing, refreshing music that's in the background, kind of like what you hear in an elevator or a luxury building. Save and continue. Lastly is your agent information that's populated in your account, and you'll hit save and continue. And then the video is completed. Now, one thing I do want to point out is you do want to connect the dot between your Mia account and YouTube. And to do this, you're going to come up to your account information here, and you're going to hit app authorization. Be sure to connect the dot between your YouTube account and Mia. It's a one-time authorization, and it will recognize it very quickly. Now, I'm going to upload my video to YouTube. And to do this, I'm just going to use the distribution option for the 1234 Main Street. And now that I'm connected to YouTube, all I need to do is drop in a description for this listing and hit upload. And I'll do this real quick with some text that I've saved. Now be sure to optimize this information later on in YouTube. Use some hashtags, use some links, take advantage of the moment when you're posting, and you'll hit upload.
Hey guys, thanks so much, Drew, for the quick YouTube channel and via demo. My name is Maya Elliott. I'm your Professional Development Manager. Congratulations, your new listing video has just been posted to YouTube. Just a heads up, guys, your new video can take up to 30 minutes to post. Realistically, it should take less than 10. So let's go ahead and toggle over to our YouTube. And there are several different ways that you can share your video on many social media networks. You can embed your YouTube video on your agent website. You can share to LinkedIn, you can share to Twitter, Pinterest, and today I'm going to show you how to post directly to your Facebook. So we'll come over here to the share arrow. We're going to highlight this URL that's in your YouTube video. We're going to hit copy, and we're going to toggle over to Facebook. This is your Facebook page. We're going to click what's on your mind, and we're just going to paste that URL. Your video will populate, and then be sure to optimize the text by posting the full description of your listing, utilizing hashtags, @symbols, and links to your Harry Norman website. Then your post is ready. I do have some verbiage that I'm just going to copy and paste here, and we'll input this into the post. Notice the hashtags and the @symbols at the bottom. And then your video is right there and it's ready to go. For Instagram users, note that you can promote your YouTube video on Instagram, but I would really recommend using an image of the listing property or the Mia social media card. In the description, please be sure to reference the video added to your link tree. If you're new or unsure about this resource, our Harry Norman trainer, Drew Burr, has posted a tutorial video in the comments below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy selling.